Hello everyone. Here again we have a pretty simple set based on the viewership of 4 different OTT platforms in 3 different societies A, B and C. Kindly go ahead, solve this set. Once you have solved it, then again go ahead and look at the solution. So let's start solving this set. Let's first try to understand what data is given to us. The graph shows the number of viewers of 4 different OTT platforms, that is PR, NF, HS and SL, not necessarily in the same order. Now this is the catch here. So what does this line exactly mean? So for example, for society A, it is not necessarily necessary that this first bar is for the platform PR. It is not necessary that this bar is for platform NF and so on. Okay. But whatever this platform is, the first bar is same for all the societies. For example, if the first bar is for, let's say, the platform HS, then the first bar is for platform HS for all the 3 societies. This is pretty clear with the color coding that we have, right? But we don't know what this first bar, which platform is this first bar representing. Normally data that we have generally in questions is the same order as given in the directions, right? In whichever directions the data is mentioned in the question, we have the bar graphs generally in the same order, but this is not the case over here. Okay, we will have to figure out which bar graph is representing which particular platform. To do that, we are given this particular data over here. Some more information is given. So let's try to figure out which bar graph is representing which particular OTT platform. First point here says NF has minimum popularity in the 3 societies. So now if you look at all the 3 societies, the minimum viewership is for the orange bar graph, right? Hence this orange bar graph is representing NF, the OTT platform NF. Okay, we have figured out one platform out of 4. Let's look at the other points. The number of viewers of PR are equal in society A and society C. So in society A and in society C, the number of viewers of PR are equal. Okay, let's see. Can this be PR? No, sorry, not here, here. Can this be PR? Yes, the number of viewers is same. The blue bar can be PR. Orange bar is NF, so let's ignore this. Can this be PR? No, the number of viewers are different in both the societies, hence this cannot be PR. Can this be PR? No, again the number of viewers is different in society A and C. That means the blue bar is representing platform PR. Okay, let's look at the last point here. The number of viewers of HS strictly increases as we go from society A to C. That means if you go from A to B and then to C, the number of viewers of HS will constantly increase. Now we have 2 bar graphs left, the gray and the yellow one. Can the gray bar be of HS? Let's see. Here the number of viewers are not increasing. It has to strictly increase. It cannot remain same also. It has to strictly increase. And if you look at from B to C, it is decreasing further. Not just increasing, it is actually decreasing. Hence this cannot be HS. That means the yellow bar has to be HS. You see, the number of viewers are strictly increasing when we go from A to C. Okay, hence this is HS over here. This is PR. Finally, the only platform remaining is SL, and that SL has to be the gray chart or the gray bar. This is SL here. Okay, now we have figured out which particular graph belongs to which particular platform. Now we can easily answer the questions. Let's look at the first question. Which society has minimum number of OTT viewers? Okay, so we have to basically add all the OTT viewers of all the societies. Okay, so for society A, this is 350, this is 200, this is 600 and this is 800. So the number of viewers for society A is 1400 plus 2 1600 plus 350 1950. This is for society A. For society B, this is 300, plus 250, which is 550. 550 plus 600 is 1150. 1150 plus 850. 1150 plus 850 will be 2000. So the number of viewers for society B is 2000, and let's calculate the same for C. This is 350, this is 250. 350 plus 250 is 600. 600 plus 550 is 1150. 1150 plus 900 is 2050. Okay, so the minimum number of viewers is in society A, hence the answer to this question is option A. Okay, let's look at the next question. What is the difference in the total number of viewers of the most popular and the least popular OTT platform in the given societies? Okay, we know the least popular platform is NF. Okay, so let's calculate the total number of viewers for NF. Okay, so this is 200 plus 250, 450. 450 plus 250 is 700. So the number of viewers is 700 for NF, and the most popular platform is HS. So let's calculate the total number of viewers for HS. So this is 800 plus 850 is 1650. 1650 plus 900 is 2550. So we basically have to calculate the difference of these two, right? We have to calculate difference of 2550 and 700, right? So 2550 minus 700, this will come out to be 1850 over here, right? So your final answer will be 1850. Now coming to the third question, we have to figure out the average number of viewers of the most popular OTT platform in the given societies. Now the most popular platform is obviously HS, and we have to calculate the average of 800, 850 and 900. Now either you can simply add them, which is 2550, and to calculate the average you divide this by 3. So 2550 divided by 3 is 850. Okay, so the answer should be 850. Or if you have already done progressions, these three numbers are in arithmetic progression, right? So when three numbers are in arithmetic progression, their average is same as the middle term. So the answer should be 850. This you could have calculated without even doing any or you could have figured out the answer without doing any calculation at all if you know the concept of arithmetic progression. Okay, so the answer here is 850. Now let's look at the last question. A new OTT platform Hoot is introduced, and the total number of viewers of Hoot in the given societies is the average of the total number of viewers of the other 4 platforms. What is the difference in number of viewers of HS and Hoot? Okay. Now the total number of viewers for Hoot in each of these 3 societies will be the average of the other 4 channels, right? So the number of viewers of Hoot in society A will be 1950. That was the sum of all the 4 platforms divided by 4. Okay, the same will be divided by 4 in society B, and this will be 2050 divided by 4 in society C. Okay, so the total number of viewers for Hoot will be, let's calculate, total number of viewers will be this plus this plus this, right? So this will be 1950 plus 2050, which is going to be 4000. 4000 plus 2000 is 6000. 6000 by 4. 6000 by 4 is 1500. So the total number of viewers for Hoot is 1500, and we have to calculate the difference with HS. So for HS, the total number of viewers we had already calculated is 2550. Okay, so the difference between these two is what we need to calculate. So the difference 2550 minus 1500 will be 1050. 1050. So the answer to this question is 1050 here. Okay, so that's it for this set. Thank you.